AI is changing the game in web design, and now you can harness the latest advancements to build your Elementor website faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. Elementor AI can help you create on-brand content, write custom code, generate stunning images, and even design layouts, all without leaving the Elementor editor. In this video, I'll show you how to activate these features, set up your site, and use AI to save you time and streamline your workflow. If you already have Elementor, I'll show you how to activate your free trial of the AI features. But if you're new to Elementor, that's no problem. I have a link in the description for you to sign up so you can follow along in this video. Let's get started. If you don't have Elementor yet and you click the link in my description, you're going to come to this page. I recommend Advanced Solo because it allows you to do the custom code and CSS, which I'm going to talk about a little in this video, but it also has the pop-up builder, which I've done a tutorial about before. And it also has all the pro widgets with e-commerce features. So I really think this is the best plan to get, unless you have more than one website, in which case you might want to upgrade to the advanced. So if you don't have Elementor yet, get it. If you do already have it, you have to make sure that the version is at least version 3.13 or the AI features will not be available to you. So then update it if you need to, and then to activate the AI features for the free trial, you're going to want to open any of your pages with the Elementor editor. And then you just have to click the AI icon on any widget that accepts content. So we'll select this headline right here, and then we're going to click this Edit with AI link. You'll have to click to approve the terms of service and privacy policy and then click the Get Started button. And this is the free trial. Now, if you would like to upgrade, you would just click the upgrade button here and it would bring you to the different pricing plans for Elementor AI. Note that this is done by credits and the credits last for a year. At the timing of this video, the credits are 1 credit for 1 text prompt, 1 credit for 1 code prompt, 33 credits for 1 image prompt, and 40 credits for 1 container prompt. So when you're ready to upgrade, you would just pick the plan that matches with how much you think you're going to use it. So, okay, so let's head back here and take a look at some of the stuff that we can do here. Now, I do want to start playing with what AI can do with text, but before we do that, I want to show you something called AI Context. So we'll close out of this, and then we will head over to Site Settings, and then click AI Context. And then from here, you can talk a little bit about your business so the Elementor AI can know more about you so that it can suggest things that match well with your business. Because of course, if you were selling children's party supplies for like birthday parties, it would be a very different tone than if you were selling, laptops to businesses. So I went ahead and put in some information about my voice and tone, and then I selected some relevant keywords. Now let's click Analyze and see what happens. Okay, so that just selected the relevant keywords for me, which is fine, but I liked better what I put, so let me put back, I think I had friendly and casual and positive. So I will reselect those and then click Save Voice and Tone. And then in this section, you want to put some general information about your website or your business. So I'm going to put my information in right there, and then I'm going to click Save Info, and then the Elementor AI is going to use that when it is generating content with you to keep your brand message consistent. So we can click All Right here, and now we can head back to the page elements, and then let's go ahead and play with generating some AI text. So I'm actually going to do this with the text editor. So before we get started here, I have previously recorded a video on how to make content using ChatGPT, and I still do that all the time. But the benefit to this is you don't have to leave the Elementor editor to create your content. So this is going to be way easier and more efficient for you to create content directly here. And I also want to let you know that Elementor has a prompt library. So when I'm showing you all of this AI stuff, you can always go into this prompt library and see some examples that Elementor has for you. Now, for some reason, this isn't loading properly right now, but that's okay. We don't need it to. If you wanted to copy this prompt, which is right down here, you would just click copy prompt. And then when you're back into the website, again, we can create AI text from headers or text boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a text editor right here. And then I am going to click the Write with AI icon up there. And then I would just paste the prompt in there and then click generate text. And then that worked, which is perfect. If I had a smartwatch website, this would be great. Of course, you can put in a new prompt and put in information about your specific website. So I could put in here Fort Lauderdale event website and then click generate text. And then there you go. Of course, you'd want to put in your correct email address and your correct phone number. You could also change the tone here. We could make it more playful. And that is definitely more playful. And we could even translate text here. So we could, for example, translate this to Spanish because there's a lot of Spanish speaking people in South Florida. And there you go, in Spanish. So if you wanted to use this, you could just click use text. And then from here, the next thing I can show you is how to generate custom code. So there are 3 places where you can generate custom code. You can generate it in the text box in the advanced tab to generate custom CSS. You can also go ahead and get the HTML widget, drag that in, and then create custom HTML code with the Edit with AI link there. Or in the custom code area, which when you're back in your dashboard is in Elementor and custom code. And then you would just click add new custom code. And then there is the code with AI link right there. But for this video example, let's just go ahead and select the text box I just made, and we'll do an example in the custom CSS. We'll pop back into the prompts, select code prompts, and then we can see the 2 gradient colors animated background. We can copy that, and then we can click the Edit with AI link, and then paste that prompt there, and then click Generate Code. And then the code will come up, and then we can click Insert. And there you go. Now we have an animated gradient background without having to type any of that code. Next, let's generate an image, and I'm going to delete that because I will not be keeping that on my website. And then I'm going to drag in an image widget. And then under Edit Image, where it says Choose Image, we are going to select the Create with AI link. And then you're going to want to describe the image here. So I'll say people having fun and eating good food on Fort Lauderdale Beach. And then you can choose the image type. I'm going to click digital art because I feel like that'll be fun. And then for style, I'm going to choose, let's try neon punk. And then for aspect ratio, I want this to be landscape. So I'm going to do landscape for 3. And then I'm going to click generate images. And these all look really great, surprisingly great. So I'm going to actually select this one, and we can click the edit icon and we can make some edits to this image if we wanted to. So we could expand the image if we wanted to different sizes, if we needed it to fit in a different type of space. We could also do generative fill. And with this, we can mark an area in the image and then edit it with a prompt. So we can say, make this pizza maybe, and then click generate. And there you go, it's pizza. And you can see I just got an alert that I'm almost up for my free trial. So keep that in mind for how much you're going to be able to do with your free trial. So then we can click back and we can also resize the image here if that's something you wanted to do. And you can also make different variations of that image, which could be useful because maybe you're making a blog post and you want all the images to look similar but not be exactly the same. You could remove the background, you could replace the background, or you can clean it up by removing unwanted areas from your image. And then when you're happy with this, you can just click Use Image. And there you go. Now it's on your site. Note that AI generated images are royalty free and you may use them anywhere across any channel of yours. And then finally, let me show you how to generate containers. So let me close out of this and we'll add a container. And then again, we're going to click the Build with AI icon. And you can go ahead and describe the layout you want to create here. Or you could come back to the prompt library and go to containers to browse the container prompts. And you can pick a prompt from here. So I'll just go ahead and copy that prompt and then paste it right here and then click generate. And then it's going to give us a couple different options to choose. So you can pick one and then you can click use layout. And of course, if you don't like anything here, you are free to click regenerate until you find something that you do like. But keep in mind, this will be using up the credits for your AI plan. I think I like this one the best, so I'm just going to keep that selected and then click use layout. And there you go. Now it is directly in my page and I can edit this if I want to, including not only using AI to make the containers, but then I can go in here and use AI for the images and the text as well. And that's it. Now you know how to create an AI-assisted website with Elementor. If I was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. If you're building your own website, make sure to check the description for a free download of my 9-step roadmap to DIY your first website, which will take you through everything you need to do to get your website live from start to finish. Thank you so much for watching.